બે બાજુ એટલે
separate between this in among of them.
બે બાજુના બતાવી
I don't know what is the difference. So the big-head birds, can you see the big-head birds in Safari Zoo? That's what we call Marabou stock. This one, can you see that? The gray color and the white king. White king. This one, what they call painted stock. And the black color bird. Can you see the black color? The whole black color bird. This one is, immigrant bird from the other place. They in the shoe season, maybe in Siberia or in the other country, then they come over here for a few months, and after that, gone. And most of the birds, they are laying eggs. Can you see the top of the tree?
દૂર જીરાફ રે આપણે
There are many birds perching on the top of the trees. They are laying birds. They are laying eggs.
ભાઈ આ કોરે જોવા નહીં જા હા હા
Zebra is the most beautiful animals. Really.
ક્યાં છે હિપ્પો એ તો આવશે ને
તમારે એ જોવાનું ને અમારા તો પાછળ એ વાળો
રેન્ટિયર્સ છે ને રીધે રીધું આમ હે ને
હાલે હાલે હાલે